In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install content from the Steam Workshop. Whether you're new to modifying your games or looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam app. It's your gateway to a world of mods and additional content that can truly enhance your gaming experience. Once you've launched the app, make sure you're logged into your account. Head to the login page if you're not already signed in, and input your account name and password. Be sure to enter them carefully, and then click on the sign in button to access your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in, look for the Community tab, usually located at the top of your Steam interface. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to another menu where you'll find the Workshop option. Click on Workshop to enter the hub for all sorts of game modifications and enhancements. From here you can search for a specific game by using the search tab, or if you prefer, scroll through the list to select your game of interest. Once you've identified the game, browse through the various mods available. You can scroll down to see the full range of options created by various enthusiasts and developers. When you find a mod that catches your eye, click on it to open its page. You'll see a subscribe button on the page. This is essentially how you download the mod. By clicking subscribe, the mod will begin downloading. It will seamlessly integrate into your library, ready for you to use the next time you boot up the game. An essential note, if the game uses easy anti-cheat, mods won't function correctly if it's enabled. You'll need to launch the game with this feature turned off to ensure your mods work as intended. Some games will give you a prompt or additional instructions to follow when handling mods, so make sure to pay attention to any specific guidelines provided by the mod creator. These instructions can vary significantly, as each mod is unique. That wraps up our tutorial. By following these steps, you will be well prepared to venture into the world of Steam Workshop mods. Enjoy enhancing your games and experimenting with new features brought to life by talented creators in the community. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.